All right, in the tropics we go here with Tropical Storm Michael strengthening here up to 50 miles per hour now, and in about 36 hour forecast to become a hurricane. So let's put this into motion here, and you see this is overnight, Monday night, Tuesday morning here, becomes a hurricane, 80 miles per hour, and now the forecast calls for it to become a Category 2 storm, 100-mile-per-hour winds before making landfall somewhere in the Panhandle. Of course, pretty much the entire Panhandle is in the cone at the moment, but maybe narrowing it down from Apalachicola through Panama City, Pensacola, Destin area, all going to see some effects, even stretching all the way back over to Cedar Key there on the west coast. Then after that, it moves over the Carolinas, where they don't need more rain, but it does look like they'll pick up some heavy rains from this too, along with another little system that's going to move in there just before this one does, and then it'll move out to sea. Now the models on this still have about a 300-mile spread here from the farthest west one, the Canadian, to the farthest east one, the UK Met. The Hurricane Center one line is right here, that bright red one there, and it follows the TVCN pretty closely. That's the consensus model. It kind of combines all the models together and averages them out. Now, the biggest thing, too, is timing. Some of these quicker, say early Wednesday, making landfall. Some of them a lot later, saying maybe even early Thursday, making landfall. But then after that, pretty much all in agreement that it's going to kick back off and then move quickly out and up the Atlantic seaboard. Now for us, what does that mean? Monday, our wind picks up. It'll actually pick up overnight. Our rain chances pick up too, and we could see anywhere from 20 to 30 mile per hour winds and squalls that move on through, fast moving, quick downpours that'll move on in. So not raining the entire time. In fact, we may even see some sun at times too. As we get into Tuesday, its closest approach will be Tuesday. We'll see scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms, but again in the passing variety that will move on through, and we could even see, if we see some sunshine, it interact with our sea breeze, and then we get big thunderstorms that fire up along the sea breeze and maybe train in the same area. So locally we could see some heavy rainfall amounts, but not everywhere. Still pretty breezy out there, but all in all, the wind coming down for us. Wednesday we pick up, and Thursday and Friday we pick up more of a southwesterly flow once the storm gets to our north. Still juicy tropical air on top of us, so that means rain chances stay really high all week long. This is our last week of the rainy season, and it looks like it's going to go out with a bang, and we're going to see a bunch of rain, but we do need it, so that's good news out there. So here's the specifics here. Gusty onshore winds about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Rough ocean, boats and boating and along the beaches, 5 to 7, occasional 9 offshore, and heavy rain potential. We could see 1 inch to 1.5 inches area wide, but isolated higher amounts could see that. That's why we're concerned a little bit as far as any flooding there. And then the rest of the week looks like really high rain chances from all that tropical air plus a southwest wind flow around. Right now we're looking at beautiful weather, a nice breeze blowing and just a few clouds around, but we're tracking a few showers around too. These little bit moving through Indian River and Okeechobee County, and then this big one offshore of Palm Beach County. This will come onshore right around West Palm and down to Lake Worth and Boynton Beach right now, seeing some rain too. Current temperatures into the 80s mostly everywhere, and again these passing downpours here through the evening hours and even extending that into the overnight hours. Temperatures with an onshore wind going to stay real warm, near 80 degrees, upper 70s to near 80. Here's Vipercast just showing from time to time. You'll get a heavy downpour here or there, so not raining the entire day tomorrow, not a washout, but off and on rain. You may get 2, 3, 4 showers and downpours at a time. All right, so small craft advisory flags up definitely for tomorrow, 5 to 7, occasional 9. Like I said, extra high tide there, as we also have king tides peaking out this week, and they'll peak on Tuesday and Wednesday, so there could be some coastal flooding that normally sees that with the tides. Surf running about chest high plus out there, but very rough. 7-day forecast, high temperatures mid to upper 80s, held down because of some clouds and rain and the wind around too. And then as we get towards the end of the week in a southwest flow, it gets hotter and we get those afternoon thunderstorms.